Welcome to the YBL.AI training video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Copilot in meetings. Let's start with the basics. There are a couple of ways to get a meeting going. Let's start with the easy one first. To begin a meeting, simply click the microphone button in the chat interface. You'll notice the screen change as the recording starts. The second way to get a meeting started is by being integrated with your existing online meeting application. Just go to the Settings and the Integration section and select your preferred platform. Install the plugin, and you're set. Joining an external meeting is a breeze. Simply paste the meeting details into the chat window, and your AI Copilot will join the meeting you're in. It's that simple. Once the meeting begins, you'll see a bar appear above the chat box with call controls. Here, you have options to manage your meeting. If you need to discard the call, just click the trash can icon. To pause or end the call, use the respective buttons. Once the meeting has started, the Copilot is right there with you. The chat remains active throughout, allowing you to ask for assistance, upload relevant files, and utilize Ripper at any point. The Copilot works in the background, ensuring you have the information and support you need to conduct a productive meeting. Once the meeting concludes, the Copilot provides you with a complete meeting note and transcription. But it doesn't stop there. You can use Ripper to transform the transcription into actionable documents, such as letters, memos, or task lists. The flexibility is entirely in your hands. The YBL.AI Copilot adapts to your unique workflow, providing seamless support at every stage. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, in the midst of one, or following up afterwards, the Copilot is your constant companion, helping you work smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching this video. We're updating the service each week with optimizations, adding or tweaking features, and bug fixing. Do check out our wiki for more ideas and tips, and follow us on social media.